have a fire alarm up the street, possibly a structure fire. We're here with JP.
I'm here with Sean. We're both
So,
here
comes a cop. Ugly. I know.
Not AJ. Hi, driving officer.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, we're just gonna keep the video rolling. I don't care how long it is, but it just can't be 27 minutes long. Huh?
It was just a glitch because I did it to one of my videos too, and then I was able to.
So yeah, guys, comment down below. How's your day going? You know, guys, if you want me to do something else for like videos, except just flyer videos, tell me in the comments. That's not
Alright,
safe.
if you hear siren, this might be car 1
Yeah.
spawning.
We were literally just in the middle of watching a live stream.
Yeah, we're watching Gamingos live stream.
Go check them out.
And the tones go off. I thought I heard 350 like bark it at. And then I heard Palmer River.
Yeah, I saw JP's face. We were like, what the fuck? Oh, here comes Engine 5!
Engine 5! Engine 5! Down there.
Oh, it's your dad! It's your dad!
No, it's not.
Yes!
It's probably my dad. It is my dad.
He's the
My dad,
only
'cause he's the only one that has Q.
You.
Who is that?
That's your dad. That's Chris DaCosta. Aw. Guys, we thought it was JP's dad. And your boy. Guys, tell if you guys can't comment on my video, comment on JP's video. Tell me who's the best company, Engine 1 or Engine 5? Tower 101! Oh, Engine 1! Yeah!
Alright, right down there we got ladder 1 and engine 1.
Wait, Rob! Rob!
Hey, I don't think. He might be in the captain seat. We own Q!
Yes, sir. That's Mike.
That's Mike.
Oh! Premiano. Alright, guys, I think that might be it.
Just gonna keep going for a little bit while. That's it.
Yeah, but guys, sorry if I'm... Oh, but positive T.
I think my dad's going to freaking search.
Where?
To there. To the call.
Or he might be out doing at a call. If he does fast food.
You know what he's doing? He's gonna put lights in the service van.
Papa K told me. I think that's it.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
Same thing, guys.
Subscribe.
Go check out JP's channel.